Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and this morning we have a two-part unboxing. I told you guys I'm going to try not to do a bunch of unboxings all at once. And when it's stuff that I've ordered and not from Reddit or stuff like that, I'm going to try to stick to that in particular. Because if I've ordered it for a very, very specific reason. It used to be not the case, but if I'm ordering them full price and everything, it's specific. So, my unboxing knife for the day is my Kershaw Launch 10. Alright. For part one of this unboxing, we have a Kansept knives. Now, you guys are probably surprised because with my Kansept Cryo, I was pretty pissed off about some backspacers, but it's not that serious anymore. We've gotten over it and we've moved on. What do we have here? Once again, the Kansept pouches are really cool. I talked about the Kaiser pouches, and you could tell Kansept's just another just another cousin to Kaiser because their pouches are so similar. It's kind of like, well, you guys definitely are from the same company. Let me make sure this is not angled. There we go, that's better. But their pouches are so similar. The only thing this is missing is Velcro, and they just basically took it, made a pouch, cut it up here instead of right here, and then, anyways. This guy feels kind of small. That's what she said. Woo. Good morning to that. Come on. Oh, shit. Holy smokes, is this thing small. Once again, that's hopefully not what she said, but good lord. So this is, let's see the name of this. The Little Main Street. So, this is supposed to be my Carta. Ooh, this is a Dirk Pinkerton design, just like my Artisan Cutlery Arroyo. So, this is supposed to be my Carta, and honestly, I'm not trying to be a dick. Let's see here. It looks kind of cool, but it also kind of looks like beef jerky. Like, not human beef jerky, kind of like a dog treat beef jerky. I'm not trying to be mean, but that's the first thing that it reminds me of. It just kind of like, it's like all over the place. Like, look at this. Like, the inside of it looks gluey. I don't know, guys. I mean, I actually think it looks interesting. Like, it's an interesting look, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm not trying to, like, nitpick on it, but honestly, that's what it first reminded me of, so it's hard not to be, you know, a dick about it. So this, I don't think it's supposed to be a front flipper, despite looking like you almost can get your guy right there. Oh, goodness, is this guy small. Okay. So this is a pretty cool little Warncliffe. It's like a 3-finger knife. That's about all you're getting on there. Side to side, there is none. There is no up and down. Let's see here. Centering, it's perfectly center. You know, maybe the dog treat beef jerky look is what they were going for, because everything else is like perfect. And I even believe this is a titanium clip. Don't quote me on that. I'll get you guys more information. But, oh, shit, I didn't even know that. This is a 154 cm blade. Where does it say it at? Does it say it? What the hell? Yeah, right there. 154 cm. It's got a lot of billboarding on it. 154 cm, a serial number, the Kansept logo, Dirk Pinkerton's logo, Dirk Pinkerton, Little Main Street. But it doesn't say where it's made, which, I mean, obviously it's made in China or something, but... So, pretty cool. 154 cm blade. Dirk Pinkerton, I like it a little bit more because that Artisan Cutlery Arroyo is pretty sweet. But this guy is an incredible 5th pocket knife, I'll tell you that much. Just a quick comparison I'm actually kind of worried my Launch 10 is bigger than this guy. Like, it's the same exact size as my Launch 10. Kind of cool, but I said with the Launch, like, I need almost an automatic for this tiny little knife that's kind of... I don't think this will ever take the place of the Launch. But the cool thing is, something about this tiny little shits, they're both 154 CM. CPM 154, whatever. So, that's cool. And this Warncliffe style blade's cool, and I guess if you wanted to do some, like, intricate, like, tight cuts, this is kind of like what I would use for the Launch 10, you know, just a draw cut or something like that. It's not bad. But this is your letter opener. This is your tape untaper. This is your, you know, just tiny little things on a day-to-day basis. And it's cool. It's a really cool design. I don't remember what the price was, so that's where I kind of get hung up if the price was close to like 70 or 80 bucks. I guess for the blade steel, but at the same time, like I can get this. I don't know. I think this Launch 10 is like the perfect... I'm comparing everything to the Launch 10, whether or not it's automatic, and this is going to have a hard time getting there. I mean, I think the Hawkbill does better than this, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll give it a genuine shake. I'm kind of hating on it before I even... Hating on it, like... They hate us because they ain't us. So it's pretty damn sharp. Straight out of the box. I mean, this thing is... It keeps hanging up, but the blade's wet. This was cold sitting outside of my truck last night, so... But the action, perfectly fine. I mean, the action's really good for a tiny little knife. Actually, check this out. It might even drop. No. But it's a tiny little guy, and it does that. So the action's really, really good. Especially for no side to side or no up and down. It just... Recessed liners. Actually, you don't... That's what makes this thing really cool. This is one chunk of micarta. I just noticed that. This is just one solid chunk of micarta, which I'm sure has a steel plate up here for the bearings. And then there's like a recessed insert for the liner lock over here. So this thing's going to be stupid light when we measure it. It's really not a bad looking knife. I kind of want to double back on that. I don't want to feel like I'm hating on it. It just... I mean, this micarta definitely feels... My name is Tyler. This has been another episode of Everyday EDC. Early morning chats without your coffee, so we're moving a little sluggish. This is the Kansept Knives Little Main Street, which is a mouthful of a name. And yeah, you guys stay sharp, stay safe. Honestly and genuinely, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.